Unidentified Trucker, and the crowd goes wild. Just making a quick brief videos to all the other professional truck drivers out there as well. Hopefully you guys watching out for all the smart people and keeping up on your health. And if you're not quite keeping up on your health, maybe you should do something about it. Because if somebody depends on you, like your loved one, your family, your kids, your wife, your significant other, your girlfriend or girlfriends, or wives, because who knows, you could be practicing the biblical marriage, you want to stay around for them. So do your best. Fresh out the gate, fresh out the truck. See you on another one. Rolling.